Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Conan Exiles enhanced game not launching or not opening won't start error on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, you just have to go below and here you will find the system requirements of the game. Both minimum as well as recommended requirements are mentioned over here. So you must check it before you play the game and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, after that launch the game and check. Next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode. For select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option. Now search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, no need to worry, simply click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, you have to select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and after that click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to uninstall BattleEye and launch the game. So for that, you have to first go to the game folder and there you will find a BattleEye folder. Select it or open it and you have to select uninstall underscore BattleEye and right click on it and then select run as administrator. After you have done this, again go to Steam and then click on the play option. Doing this will reinstall BattleEye or you will get a pop-up to install BattleEye. Just install it and then check if the game is resolved or not. But if the issue continues, move to the next method. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game and right click on it. Click on properties under general. Here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, this time type -d3d11 and then launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update and then click on check for update. So this will check if there is an update available and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch it and see if you can play it. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for a device manager. Now under here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatic drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. The website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once you download this, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on repair, click on yes, wait for some time and after you get set up successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC and once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check. Next is to delete mods. So when the mods are not properly installed, then it can lead to crashing issue or several other problems. So it's important to check if there are lots of mods used. If so, then you should delete them unless the game works again without crashing or other issues. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like NVIDIA Shadow Player or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You have to select it and after selecting it, right click on it, click on end task. This will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, launch the game and check. Next is to install DirectX. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. It opens, go below, click on the download option, and this will download DirectX on the system. After that, install it. Once you install it, again log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game to the list, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that, launch the game and check. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Conan Exiles enhanced game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC starts, again launch Steam and reinstall Conan Exiles enhanced game, and finally click on the play button to check if the game is opening or not.